Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to cancel a sent transfer on Bizum, updated for 2025, so you can easily reverse any mistaken or unwanted payments. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open your bank's app. Start by opening the mobile banking app where you activated Bizum. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Step 2. Navigate to your transaction history. Next, look for the Transactions, Activity, or Transfers section. Here you'll see all recent transfers, including those you sent with Bizum. Step 3. Find the sent transfer you want to cancel. Scroll through your transaction list and tap the Bizum transfer you'd like to cancel. Step 4. Check cancellation options. If cancellation is available, you'll see a button that says cancel, revoke, or something similar. Important: you can only cancel a transfer if the recipient hasn't accepted or withdrawn the money yet. If there's no cancellation option, it means the transfer is already completed, so you'll need to contact the recipient directly to request a refund. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. Tap Cancel. Then follow the prompts to confirm. Your bank will process the cancellation and return the money to your account, usually within a few minutes. Extra tip: if you can't find a cancellation option or the recipient isn't responding, contact your bank's support team as soon as possible. They may be able to help you recover your funds if it's still early enough. And that's it. You now know how to cancel a sent transfer on Bizum in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.